Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Sign in using the account owner's credentials because cancellations require owner access. Once logged in, click your profile icon and open Account Settings. This is where membership controls live. Make sure you have access to the email tied to the account and the current payment method on hand because Netflix shows billing and end date details there. Once done, locate the Membership and Billing section near the top. This is the first actionable area. You will now continue. Under Membership and Billing, click Cancel Membership or the Cancel Plan button. This initiates the process. You will see a series of prompts asking you to confirm, read the cancellation details, then confirm to schedule the stop date. Netflix keeps your account active until the current paid period ends, so you still have access until that date. If you do not see Cancel Membership, make sure the subscription isn't billed through Apple, Google Play, or a third party. Those require cancellation at the original billing provider. Complete the process by confirming that Netflix sends a cancellation confirmation email. Once you have that, note the service end date shown in account. You keep access until that end date, and if you change your mind, you can restart the membership from account before it expires. If cancellation failed or you're blocked, check whether billing goes through Apple, Google, a TV provider, or another third party. Make sure to cancel there. If issues persist, contact the billing provider or Netflix support for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.